around 45 minutes to go to Hoi An. Yeah, and then on the way we go to Hoi An, you can see that there are a lot of the field of rice here. You know rice? There's fields of rice, and then also you can see the buffalo.
So on my left hand, everybody, you can see our company supplier many famous hotel. For example, Intercontinental Hotel Group, Marriott Resort, Hilton Hotel and Resort. So our thank you so much. Let me briefly talk about our company. No smoking inside and no take off camera.
Ayun na, yung Buddha, yung nakatayo. Oo. Ako init.
Yes. Okay.
Meron siguro sila. Wala.
Okay, so you see that she take the noodle out, yeah? And then she put a little bit of the salad. And this is the pancake. That's the heart of the pancake put on there. Yeah? And then this is the papaya, cucumber, put here. Yes. Then strain it, yeah? Strain tightly, okay? Yes, and then
This one, what's this one?
And
This two, the paper.
yes, you can eat that. This is the rice paper, and then this is the peanut sauce. You can see that is the peanut sauce, and this is the fish sauce. The fish sauce. Okay, then you dip it. You dip it. Yes.
This one,
No,
what's
no, only
this?
one is
What's this?
But I want to recommend you the peanut sauce. Are you ready? You understand?
Yes.
Okay, so enjoy your time, yeah? Enjoy your lunch, okay? Okay, give me a picture, everybody.
Okay lang hawakan ko, malinis ko na yun.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
Dalawa yata yan.
Hindi, sumama lang.
O sige, okay na.
Ay, yan to. Yan mo lang. Yes,
Okay.
where's your plate? No more plate.
Masarap din talaga ano. Masarap din siya. Enough, enough. Ay,
And
the salad.
papaya.
Okay.
Papaya.
Wag mo na kaya lagyan ng salad.
That Pipino.
Two pipino. Two pipino?
Pipino.
Yeah. Don't put salad na.
Don't like salad.
Yeah.
And then roll over. Very tight.
Yeah.
Tightly. Like this. Tightly. Like this. Okay?
Okay.
Guys, say hi to the vlog. My vlogs. Hi, picture. The eyes. The eyes. Picture. May pagkatapos. Yeah. Wala kayo. Hello, ayan, ayan. Maganda nga ito. Ayan na. Mamaya-maya.
Live na to. Tapos gumaganon-ganon siya, oh. Ginaganon. Binibilisan pala talaga.
Say hi!
Binibilisan pala talaga. Nasaan na si Doña Buding?
Ayun na sa gilid.
Tapos pagkarating doon, mag-iipon lang. Tapos pagbalik ganon. Oh. Ganon. Ang galing naman.
Tatay, oh.
Ang galing. Oh.
Hi para si tatay, oh.
Ang galing. Ganun pala siya.
Ay, mababasa tayo pala.
Hindi. Malayo naman sa atin, di ka naman matatalsikan eh.
Hindi po, pag nag-spin dyan. Sa loob.
Hindi naman tayo magaganyan eh.
Exhibition
Sila
siya.
lang eh. Siya lang.
Isasakay niya lang tayo to.
Ay, hindi ako sa...
Yay! Ay, kamay!
Oh, who's next? Nagbigay din tayo. Oh. Hawak mo na. Hawak. Okay, hawak mo. Bibigyan natin. Here, here. Ganun pala yan, ano. Marami siya nakuha ang tip.
Không, Long quay đi, Long dẫn đây, quay đi. Nó quay cái tròn đấy, quay đâu.
We don't like
We don't like, ha?
I like.
Ah, you like, okay.
Wala, hindi natin mabidyo. Hindi sila mabidyo. Ang layo. Ayan, ayan.
Asubiya, ano yan? Yung ano yun? Hindi ba bisugo? Ayun yung bisugo sa atin, ano? Yung may ganyang kulay. Hindi ka pa bisugo. Okay po, okay.
Okay.
Tingnan natin yung
Pilin mo, ha? Bakit makikita mo naman yan? We have tissue. Toilet paper. Tissue. Madami yata itong lagay. Ang more lechon kawali.
Yung rice dito sa atin.
Wow.
For 100 pesos.